Well, obviously we got to set the date. So I'll take care of that and start another video. Obviously no coolant, so it doesn't have any coolant in the tank hardly, not enough to register. But also the way that it's set up on this dolly, the hoses aren't long enough to reach from the pumps to the filter here and through to the through spindle coolant. But everything's in like brand new shape. Let's see if it'll let us do anything with low coolant on. Okay, green light is on. Let's see if we can do some hand jogging. I gotta make it a little faster here. The noise you hear is thunder outside, it's not the machine grinding. If I had some magnets to check the doors to see if that they would know it was closed, I would be able to open them while I'm trying to jog it around for you. So let's go to the Y-axis. Very smooth. This machine is brand new. Never had a part made on it. I actually hate to sell it, but it's just been sitting. We're not using it. I'm sure it could use just a good paint. We'll try the A-axis. I'll have to find out what tool slot the probe is in. See if we can move the auto tool changer. See if we can get it. There we go, there's the probe. We can take this probe out. Okay. Still running the spindle warm up. It's almost done. Got It's got about 540 seconds left on it. So spindle speed currently 2,500.